This partnership could redefine the future of AI. OpenAI and Microsoft are in high-stakes negotiations now. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Monday, May 12th, 2025. OpenAI and Microsoft are rewriting their multi-billion-dollar partnership, with OpenAI seeking to cut Microsoft's revenue share to 10% by 2030, while Microsoft wants guaranteed access to OpenAI technology beyond that year. This cooling relationship could reshape the AI boom's driving force. Meanwhile, Pope Leo XIV calls AI a critical challenge to human dignity and labor, urging the Church to lead ethical discussions. In AI training breakthroughs, researchers introduced Absolute Zero, a self-teaching AI method that masters complex tasks without human data, signaling a future where AI scales independently. A tutorial shows how to create personalized AI avatars using 11 labs for voice cloning and HeyGen for hyper-realistic avatars, perfect for dynamic content automation. Plus, discover trending AI tools like Remote Agent and Shopify Magic, and explore new AI job opportunities. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute, give this video a like, and share your thoughts below.